It's National Hispanic Heritage Month, and we're celebrating with my favorite, some Cuban food. Celebrity chef and cookbook author Chris Valdes has cooked for stars like A-Rod and Magic Johnson, and now he's cooking for us.
Yeah.
For us.
I'm bringing some sabor Latino on set today.
Oh, I am super pumped. I don't know what that means, but we will find out. You guys, scan that QR code so you can get these recipes, and you won't miss a damn thing. All right, now what are we making?
So we're gonna start off with some tostones with ropa vieja, which are fried green plantains with ropa vieja, which is shredded beef.
Oh, nice.
So this right here is gonna get you a date. So pay attention.
I'm ready.
And yeah, this is gonna win you a date. So we're gonna start off with some green plantains, and we're gonna take off the skin. We're gonna cut them in 2-inch pieces, and we're gonna fry them.
And so these are not the sweet ones, right? Because you could do this with the sweet ones,
Oh,
too.
you could do that with the sweet ones and then fry them, and you have a nice sweet side. But these are like fried tostone chips. You know, it's like a big chip.
You get the chip.
Crunchy, scrumptious. So once you fry them, it's a 2-fry process. Once you fry them, and they're like this color, that bright yellow, you're gonna put it on the paper towel.
But
and
wait,
you're gonna
did you
drain
soak it like in some salt or something so that it has a little, you put it on afterwards?
No,
See, everybody makes it a little differently.
Everyone has their own tip, you know?
Little thing. Yes.
So once you let it drain and it's not hot, we're gonna use a can. Now, in my Cuban household, if this can goes missing, my mom will slap.
People are ready to fight.
And I remember when I was going to culinary school, I'm like, we have measuring cups. She's like, don't touch my can.
I love this.
Yeah, so basically we took off the top and we used the bottom of that can to press down.
Oh, I've never thought about this.
That tostone chip. Look at that.
Can I say, Chris, you know what? We do it with two saucers. You put it in between. That's a Haitian thing, because we make these as well.
Oh, wow.
Because, you know, we're all very closely connected.
Okay, look how cute this is.
That's what I love. Look at this.
This came out perfect.
Yes, it is perfect.
Look at that. You're a pro already.
Amazing.
So, and then ready for fry number 2.
Yes.
And we end up with this beautiful, crunchy tostone.
Oh, you fry it again?
Yeah, you fry it again. You fry it again, and then you make sure you salt it afterwards. So, to finish this dish, we need to make our garlic aioli. That's gonna add some extra flavor in there. So we have some mayo. We're gonna add some red wine vinegar, which is our acidity. Some chili powder for that little bam of heat.
For the zhuzh.
Yes, that little, you know, spiciness. You have your cilantro, very important, cilantro. And garlic, minced garlic, and just mix it around. And that's gonna make our garlic aioli.
This stuff is
I never knew how aioli was made.
There you go. You're making aioli. You're ready for that date.
I'm ready for that date.
Look at that.
I hope I meet a Cuban man.
Oh, if you go to Miami, there's plenty of Cuban men and women and whatever.
Justin, have you been to Cuba?
Huh? I've never been to Cuba.
Oh my God, it was the most amazing experience.
Isn't it so fun?
My entire family, it was like being captured in time.
Yes.
The cars, the people, the food.
You know what will really capture you in time? If you have a mojito as soon as you get there.
Oh, honey.
That'll really capture you.
I was having mojitos for breakfast.
You don't want to go have her mojito.
I've been there too.
Can we try this?
Okay, so basically you put the ropa vieja on the tostón, you put some of that garlic aioli on top.
I'm on it.
Look at that.
Do we have to tell people what the ropa vieja is? Like, that's shredded beef,
Shredded beef that we cooked with onions, peppers, and tons of love. Look at that. This is a good portion for me.
I could eat this stuff by itself.
By the way,
garlic,
you don't need the salt.
aioli, I can eat it by itself.
You don't need the salt or anything because the aioli has it all.
It's so good.
And there you go. That's how you end up with the perfect, beautiful tostone. So now I got some dessert for you guys. I know you guys like to eat. So we have our 3 milks. We have condensed milk, we have regular milk, and we have evaporated milk.
That is Tres Leches.
Tres Leches, which translates into 3 milks. And we're gonna mix that with a little vanilla extract. My secret for this dish is adding a little bit of rum in there because rum makes everything delicious. Once you mix that around...
Rum makes everything better.
Yeah.
Always.
Right? Especially after a long day. And then we're gonna poke holes on our cake, and we're gonna add this milk right there.
Let me ask you a question. You know, Kim gets the bubble guts when I make stuff with milk for her. So if you're lactose intolerant,
what's the
secret?
This is what I love about this recipe. You can use almond milk, you can use oat milk, you can use lactose-free milk. So it's perfect for all of those combinations. Then we're gonna top it off with some whipped cream.
Wait, do I only have 1 milk? Oh, they're all already mixed.
In there, yeah.
Okay, I wasn't paying attention.
We're gonna add some strawberries.
You were in the shredded beef, that's why.
I was still eating the shredded beef.
My doctor's always asking me if I have my fruits and veggies, so that's why I always incorporate it into all my sweets.
I didn't realize Tres Leches was this easy.
Look at this.
This is, let me taste this real fast.
And this is part of our heritage of being Latino, that these are the type of dishes that we have and bring to the family table and create memories and bring friends over.
What is the history of this? Like, is it because they were trying to get kids to drink milk? Let's throw it on top of some cake?
God knows, but that's a great did you have a few mojitos when you created that?
Right. Chris, tell people where they can find these recipes and many more.
My cookbook, One with the Kitchen, online. And we need to enjoy this. Cheers to good food and Hispanic heritage.
You guys do not go anywhere. We're going to be talking to Jason and Lauren Kennedy and how they're preparing for their baby. That is next. This is good.
That is delicious. Oh, that's the perfect breakfast.
Oh, my tostones are burning.